I've been running Vod trucks for 8 years and consulting for mobile Vod businesses nationwide, and I am going to tell you about the fire safety crisis that's threatening the entire Vod truck industry. Mobile kitchens face unique fire risks that traditional restaurants never deal with, and most Vod truck owners are completely unprepared for the disasters that can end their business in minutes. Today I'm sharing the safety revolution that's transforming how smart Vod truck operators protect their investments. The Vod truck industry has exploded over the past decade. What started as simple lunch wagons has become a billion-dollar industry, with gourmet kitchens on wheels serving everything from Korean barbecue to artisanal ice cream. But this rapid growth has at best safety awareness, and the results are devastating for unprepared operators. Let me share what happened to Mikkel, a friend who ran a popular takeout truck in Aust. He was working the lunch rush when a broken connection leaked and ignited near his fryer. In a traditional restaurant, he could have evacuated to safety while the fire department responded. But in a Vod truck, he was trapped in a metal box with broken tanks, electrical systems, and burning oil. He suffered serious burns trying to escape, and his truck, his entire business, was completely destroyed. Here's what makes Vod truck fires especially dangerous. You're working in a confined space with multiple fire hazards, broken tanks, electrical systems, hot oil, and grease-covered surfaces. You have limited escape routes and limited space to maneuver safety equipment. Traditional fire extinguishers are bulky and leave chemical residue that contaminates your entire Vod property. Most importantly, you can't afford the downtime that comes with major fire damage. Vod truck fires are becoming more common as the industry grows. Last year in Los Angeles alone, 17 Vod trucks suffered significant fire damage. The average repair cost exceeded $40,000, and most operators were out of business for months while rebuilding. Some never reopened. But here's where fire blankets are revolutionizing mobile kitchen safety. They're perfectly designed for the confined spaces and unique challenges of Vod truck operations. Fire blankets work instantly without chemicals that contaminate Vod surfaces. They're compact enough to maintain tight spaces but effective enough to handle serious grease fires. Most importantly, they let you suppress fires without evacuating the truck, giving you time to safely shut down systems and exit if necessary. I now require fire blankets in every Vod truck consulting project I take on. They're mounted near all cooking stations, and my operators are trained on proper technique during slow periods. The investment is minimal, usually under $100 per truck, but the protection is comprehensive. Let me show you the technique that's becoming a standard in professional Vod truck operations. When a fire starts, your first priority is turning off gas supplies if it's safe to do so. Then grab your fire blanket, cover the fire completely, and assess the situation. The fire is hot, your Vod property isn't contaminated, and you can continue service or safely evacuate depending on the circumstances. Here's what convinced me that fire blankets are essential for mobile kitchens. Last month, one of my clients' trucks had a fryer fire during the dinner rush. The operator used his fire blanket to suppress the flames in under 10 seconds. He was back to serving customers within 5 minutes. No injuries, no contamination, no lost revenue. The exact same incident without fire blankets could have ended his business permanently. Vod truck operators, your business is too valuable to risk on inadequate fire safety. Fire blankets are now standard equipment in smart mobile kitchens because they're specifically designed for the challenges we face every day. Don't let a preventable fire destroy everything you've worked to build. The Vod truck revolution has created amazing opportunities for culinary entrepreneurs. Make sure fire safety keeps pace with your culinary ambitions.